Matt, Mac 2018, has it been a good show for you so far?
Well, certainly for a Monday, yeah, I've had some good leads today, a lot of interest in some of my products. Obviously I'm showing MicroLoc for about the 15th time, so a lot of people have seen that. But we've got a few new things that we've done. We've got some new jaws, we've got the hydraulic system here, and we've got our new 5-axis vice here that I showed you on Swarf and Chips.
Can we go and have a look at that, Matt?
Yeah, sure. So all we've done is we've basically designed a sort of a plinth to fit on a 5-axis machine to give you full utilisation of that. So we've got 3 of our vices on here. It's just making better use of the machine tool.
Well, you're presenting 3 components to the spindle instead of 1 effectively.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, and it just makes, you still got the clearance because of the way the pyramid sort of works, so you get good clearance, all in a small footprint. So it's just a 300 round table on there, and we've got three vices.
Now you're fortunate enough that you're manufacturing a lot of the product yourself. I'm taking it, do these come in different sizes, different formats to suit different machines?
They do, yeah. They can be modified to suit any machine tool. So they're made to order, but they're the same thing, but the fixings are made to suit the 5-axis machine they're going to fit onto, yeah.
And following on from your Swarf and Chips that you've done, and there was a big emphasis on the centric grippers.
Yep.
How are you finding the sales with the centric grippers?
We've sold a lot of these. It's been a really good seller for us, especially the fact we've got the embossed jaws, we've got the soft jaws, and you know the price is good and they're very strong. And they're reliable, so people are buying them. And I've sold a lot since the Swarf and Chips show.
Well, I can really see the benefit. You know, I've seen centric grippers, but I haven't seen dual station centric grippers, for example, and modular centric grippers. I think they're quite unique.
It is. That is what we've got here is a floating jaw, so you can actually take that out and make it a single acting jaw. So if you've got small parts, you can hold 2 parts. If you've got a bigger part, you can hold 1. So it makes it completely flexible.
So not only the centric grippers are giving your customers flexibility, but also the fixture plates. You've got everything going on here, Matt.
Yeah, we have. We think we've seen a lot of interest in this already today. I've had 3 inquiries for this, and people can see it's really going to change how they machine. Rather than doing 1 part at a time, they're doing 3. They've got good access, so it could be popular, I think.
I think we've mentioned it before with the MicroLoc on 3-axis machines. You're utilising the machine envelope. You're making the most of that space and the strokes of your machine.
That's right. You said it. That's what we're trying to portray to our customers. So, but also at Mac, we've got the 0-point clamping system from Vischer and Bali. You can see what we've got here. You can see we've got our fixturing plate. 0-point system there. Again, utilising a 5-axis or 3-axis machine. You've got your pallet here, you can take 1 off, put another one on. Quick change, 0-point clamping.
So with the pallet system, you know, effectively, you know, you're not stopping the spindle from running, you can be doing the setting outside the machine.
You're doing the setting up while the machine's working, and that's again keeping the spindles turning, as you say.
So you've got a solution for pretty much everything now, Matt.
Yeah, I would like to say so. We've got there the hydraulic system from MicroLoc. Again, I showed that on Swarf and Chips, but again, utilising a vertical machining centre, you wouldn't put this on a horizontal. We call it a clean system, very simple to use. You have your manifold on the MicroLoc table and just pressing a button and you clamp up. So
could this be automated?
It can be automated with robots, yeah, definitely, because you can have a electrical solenoid valve that plumbs into the machine tool, so it can clamp and unclamp as part of the program, and that will then work with robots.
And I think that's really important, because if you walk around the show today, there's a big emphasis on automation.
Exactly, that's the future, and we've got to embrace that, and that's why we've brought out the hydraulic system.
So this is like the evolution of MicroLoc, really?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Matt, thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot, cheers, thanks.